And so I have TV. I need to reinstall it because my wife gave me this direction on this wall, from concrete wall, and I have a holder, which actually I did couple years ago before this house was in vacation club. Now I will do everything and install this TV on this wall. Which tools I will use? I have hammer drill, Bosch, which is good one. It's long time with me. And I have level also. I need level. Purchase this level here in Dominican Republic. The problem with anchor, I don't have an anchor proper size, but I will use small one like this one. Maybe I will need to put 2-3 in one hole. Yeah, and it's going to be somewhere here of the level. Is perfecto. Okay, probably the cable is going this way. I would be not advised to drill here. But if we drill, for example, it's very good place to drill. I think it's here. Okay, I think it's here. Okay, here. Because cable can go down on this track, and yeah, it can be some surprise. And here, and here, yeah. Okay, now I have the mark, and I need to drill. And approximately I need to know like how far I have to drill. I have this screw. Okay, I have this screw, and I have a bit, Phillips bit, or whatever, bit, Bosch bit, whatever. It's like that, almost every to the end. It's short drill bit, very short. Drill and hammer. Don't have a bigger anchor, so sad. I will try now how it's gonna go. Can I screw this screw or not? Because it's not correct size. Perfecto. Just perfecto. It's perfecto. a special anchor for concrete. Would be better to use smaller drill, which I don't have. Because this guy's custom guard in Canadian custom guard took my battery from my the from my drill, but had no battery because this Canadian custom service took from me this battery. I don't know which reason. They say it's explosion can be in plane. I don't know about explosion, but I'm three times been here with this drill because I'm always coming here and I have something to do. And all 2 times was perfect. Nobody touched this drill, this battery, this drill. But this time it's not. They change rules or something. They open my suitcase and remove the battery from the suitcase. And why I don't have it now? I have to find new one, but it's not easy in this country. I found in Amazon, but they are not delivery. Somebody told me it exists here in store, but I didn't buy it yet. Why I'm using not really very appropriate tools to drill hole here. It's okay. Yeah, the level is supposed to be very fine, very good, very perfect level, like very perfect. Have to a little bit hold up right side. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and I think this TV holder can hold much heavier TV than I installed. Yeah, and okay, good. Okay, good. The trick with this TV, I show you outlet electrical over there, but I like more holders which is you can for example move from the wall and use it like a, because very hard to reach an outlet. Okay, good. Yeah, okay. Job is done.